Hello all, this is Nandhini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to discuss about system testing and model based testing in software engineering. So let's discuss. So the system testing is a type of software testing that evaluates the overall functionality and performance of a complete and fully integrated software solution. It tests if the system meets the specified requirements and if it is suitable for delivery to the end users. This type of testing is performed after the integration testing and before the acceptance testing. And next one is system testing process. So it classified into different types of process. There are setup test environment, generate test case, generate testing data, execute test cases, defect reporting, regression testing, log defects and retest. So let's discuss one by one. So the first process is setup test environment. So in this process we have to create a testing environment for a better quality testing. And the second process is generate a test case. So in this step we have to generate the test case for the testing process. And the third one, generate testing data. So in this process it is we have also to generate the data that is to be tested. And the fourth one, execute test case. So after the generation of the test case and the test data and test cases are executed. And next step, defect reporting. So in this process we have to defect in the systems or detected. And next one is regression testing. So in this process we have to carry it out to test the side effects of the testing process. And next one, log defects. So in this process defects are fixed in this step. And the last one, retest. So in the step if the test is not successful, then again test is processed. So these are the process of system testing. And next one is model based testing. So a model based testing is a software testing technique and that is use a model to generate the test. A model is a description of a system's behavior and it is a test in the runtime software's behavior is evaluated, which is according to the test and generated by the model. And it is classified into different types of examples. So there are data flow, control flow, dependency graph, decision tables, state transition machines. So these are the examples for model based testing. And next one is types of model based testing. So the first type is ER diagrams, that is entity relationship diagram. So in this diagram, these diagrams show how different entities in a database scheme are related to one another. They are frequently employed in database design for showing the relationships and data structures between various entities. And the second type is control flow graph, that is CFGS. So the CFGS means control flow graph, and this graph show the order in which the code is executed. For example, the control flow of a program. There are employed in test case generation and coverage analysis and program behavior analysis. And next type is data flow diagram. It is also called as DFDS. So this shows how data moves through a system with an emphasis on the entry, processing and output of data. They are helpful in determining data dependencies and confirming that the data transformations in software systems are accurate. And the last type is UML, that is Unified Modeling Language Diagram. So it offers a common notation for expressing different software system components. So these use case diagram shows how users and systems interact, whereas activity diagrams and shows how control moves across the system. So next one is assessment. So these are the reference. Thank you.